The quiz master from Slumdog Millionaire truly living up to the film there. And here's the lady who's managed to get a brand new wardrobe for the red carpets. Frida Pinto is back home and totally loving it.
She considers herself one of the luckiest girls in the world at the moment, and we have to agree with Frida Pinto there. Frida, are you still at the stage where you're kind of pinching yourself to see whether this is a dream or whether it's reality?
Absolutely, I do it even today. I did it this morning, so yeah, it was as recent as that.
And we certainly can't blame Frida for hardly believing her own luck. So which has been her most surreal moment so far? Well, it involves a certain Clint Eastwood. Clint Eastwood came up to you and said that he'd like to work with you at some point.
He just said he really appreciated my work in the film, and it would be fantastic to work with someone like me. As far as a slum life goes, I mean, that is an inescapable truth, an inescapable part, and a fact that Mumbai does hold one of the largest slum areas. And at the same time, when you do talk about the wealth of India, there's this very, very interesting scene that Salim and Jamal have on a tower block when Salim says, "This used to be our slums, brother, you know, and now there's this big building that's coming up over here." That is the fact that Bombay is a growing economy. It is changing literally overnight. You know, today you see this empty ground, tomorrow you'll see a big building out there. And so I guess Daddy has taken special care to focus on both sides of the same coin. So I guess it would be unfair to say that, you know, we've only shown the underbelly or the whatever, the low life of Bombay. So cute. He is one of the cutest boys I've ever met. Very, very down to earth, very humble, so unaffected by everything that's happening around. You know, I mean, it's really funny when you take him and introduce him to any celebrity, A-list celebrity. He just goes like a little kid, goes jumping around the place. He's just like that. So I guess the reason why he's probably said that was also because I was his official Bombay tour guide, and lovely intern and the casting director Madhur and I took him around and introduced him to the city that he was so enthusiastic, you know, about discovering.
So are there any other soulmates in Frida's life?
Now let's have that. What was that little game show that they used to have where you have all these boys line up and then you pick? No.
Blind dating or
yeah. So, no, I'm just enjoying my moment as of now. You know, just there's so much happening, and like I keep saying, I have one and only one love at the moment, and that is Slumdog Millionaire.